Hello everyone, I am Ms. Reena Shankar from ITL Public School. Today I am going to do an activity based on quadrilateral. Before I start with the activity, let me tell you about a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a closed polygon having 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. Now, if a quadrilateral has 4 angles, then there must be a sum of all these 4 angles. We are going to discuss about this. What is the degree measure of all the 4 angles of a quadrilateral? Let us start with our maths activity. Maths activity, name of the activity is to verify angle sum property of a quadrilateral, or sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. As it is an activity, for that we need some material also. Material required is colored sheets, scissors, ruler, protector, glue and colored pens. This is the material which we are going to use for doing this activity. If it is an activity, there must be some procedure for that. Let us start with the procedure. Step 1 is cut 2 congruent quadrilaterals of any size. Just see, these are the 2 quadrilateral, one of green color, other of pink color. They both are congruent. How they are congruent? Because they both are superimposing each other. As you can see, I have marked these 2 quadrilateral as angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again I am coming to the step 1. Step 1 is we have to cut 2 congruent quadrilaterals and keep them over here. Step 2 is mark angles 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Similarly, in other quadrilateral also I have marked angles like 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you observe this quadrilateral carefully, I have marked these lines also. These lines are indicating I have to cut the second quadrilateral with the help of these lines to form 4 angles. Step 2 is mark angles 1, 2, 3, 4 which I have already marked. Cut second quadrilateral in 4 parts and join the angles. Step is we have to cut these 4 angles. With the help of scissors, I can cut these 4 angles. This is first angle. Now this one is the second angle. Now this is the third angle and the rest of the part of the quadrilateral is the fourth angle. Now I have these 4 angles with me. Next step is join the cut angles like this. How I have to join? Let us check. First angle is this. You can see this is the first angle. I have kept it here. Second angle I have joined it like this. Then the third angle and the fourth angle. All these 4 angles are completing a circle. With the help of glue stick, you can join these 4 angles like this. First angle, second angle, third angle and fourth angle. Now the most important observation is all these 4 angles are completing a circle. Kindly check this. This is the circle, and do you know the degree measure of a circle? What it is? It is 360 degree. So in a quadrilateral, sum of all 4 angles is 360 degree. Let me repeat the most important step of this activity. When I have cut these 4 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, I have to join them together to check what is the degree measure of all these 4 angles. Automatically it is coming as a circle which is 360 degree. Result is sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Hence, angle sum property of a quadrilateral is verified. Your activity will look like this. As you can see, those 2 quadrilaterals which we have cut. First quadrilateral you have to paste as it is. For second quadrilateral I have cut it into 4 angles and join them together to form a circle. Now it is verified. Sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. You all can try this activity at your own. Thank you so much and have a nice day.